Hello, my name is Esperanza Silva. I am 35 years old. I was born in Macaula, Guajira. I like to tell you a little about my life.
I am happy and strong woman. My family is the most important thing in my life. Right now I am building my house. It's a big dream for me. I love helping my students. I sit there slide every day. I believe in kindness, hard work and love. I enjoy music, dancing and watch funny movies. My favorite food is pasta, pizza and carne asada. I also like reading books and spending time with my kids. I don't like rude people or waking up very early, but I do it anyway. I also don't like cold weather too much. A normal day for me starts at 5:30 in the morning. I make breakfast, have my kids ready and go to work. At school, teach, sing and play with my students. In the afternoon, I go home, cook, help my children with homework and clean the house. At night, I relax a little and dream about the future. My dream is to finish building my house very soon. I want a safe and happy place for my children. In the future, I want to keep working as a teacher and as a woman. I hope the travel on day, maybe to watch con my family. I most of all, I want my children to the book for me. Thank you for watching my video. Teach me a mother, a teacher, and a boy with dress. Goodbye.